Hey there, business owners. Are you struggling to track all your construction project activities? Is the endless web of dependencies making your project schedules a nightmare? I get it. Project management can be overwhelming, but don't worry because Alfafam Management Consulting has got your back. Let's talk about how to simplify your project management with expert solutions tailored just for you. Imagine having a robust project management software where you can keep everything under control. Picture this, a clear Gantt view showing the estimates of completion for each stage. No more guessing games. You'll be able to see exactly where your project stands at any given moment. And what about costs? Tracking costs can be a headache, especially with contractors and subcontractors involved. With our solutions, you can monitor expenses with ease. From initial estimates to actual spending, every penny is accounted for. This means better budgeting and fewer surprises down the road. Now, there's a sea of tools out there. Choosing the right one can be daunting. That's where Alfafam steps in. We don't just offer a one-size-fits-all solution. We analyze your specific needs to recommend the best tools tailored for your business. We ensure that the software you use aligns perfectly with your workflow and project requirements. With our expertise, you'll have a streamlined process that keeps your projects on track and on budget. You'll have more time to focus on what you do best, growing your business. So why wait? Get in touch with Alfafam Management Consulting today and take the first step towards mastering project management. Your projects deserve the best, and so do you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful business tips. Until next time, keep building success.